Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to send money from PayPal to Paymaya in 2025. This is a super handy process, especially with all the updates to make transfers faster and more secure. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending money abroad, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have both your PayPal and Paymaya accounts set up and verified. In 2025, PayPal has streamlined its interface, so start by opening the PayPal app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, you'll need to add Paymaya as a recipient. Look for the Transfer to Bank or Wallet option. If Paymaya isn't listed, you might have to search for it or enter the recipient's details manually, like their mobile number or email linked to Paymaya. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any fees. PayPal might charge a small percentage for international transfers, so it's worth noting that in 2025, rates could vary based on your location. After that, add a note if you want, like, for groceries, and hit Continue. You'll be prompted to confirm the details and authenticate with your PayPal security PIN or biometrics for extra safety. Once confirmed, the transfer should process quickly, often within minutes. Then, switch over to your Paymaya app to check if the funds have arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. A quick tip: always use secure networks for these transactions to protect your info. And remember, exchange rates can fluctuate, so transfer when rates are in your favor. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.